What you got there? It's a bunny? Oh, kiss the bunny. Mwah. You kissed the bunny? Oh, you kissed that bunny. What a sweet boy. You must love your bunny.
Treated to a good pitching matchup yesterday. Lavin and Smoltz, they lived up to the advanced billing. Both pitched.
Oh, you got a lot of stuff, Ryan.
Toward Valentin at second. Let's see if Delgado can catch this one at first. He does. 2 out. Braves won yesterday 5-3. Mets won the opener 11-1.
Hernandez last year 29 starts. Struck out almost a batter per inning.
Oh, boy.
52 home runs allowed. He gave us 1 here already today. And he hit 12 batters. That's quite a few.
Here's Andrew. 3 for 11 with a home run against Duque. Foul. And now we'll play for a strike.